Assalamu alaikum. Well, in this video, we'll take a look at the muscles of the tongue. So there are some intrinsic and there are some extrinsic muscles of the tongue. The muscles which are originating and inserting onto the tongue, they are called as intrinsic muscles. जिनकी origin भी tongue से ही और insertion भी tongue पर ही हो रही है. And the muscles which are originating somewhere else, like on the stylet process or on the mandible or somewhere else, and they are inserting into the tongue, these are called as the extrinsic muscles of the tongue, right? So there are basically 8 muscles total. The one is the superior longitudinal muscle, then the inferior longitudinal muscle, the transverse muscle, the vertical muscle. These 4: superior longitudinal, inferior longitudinal, transverse, and vertical. These 4 are the intrinsic muscle of the tongue, while the genioglossus, styloglossus, palatoglossus, and hyoglossus, these 4 are the extrinsic muscles of the tongue. So the first muscle is going to be the first intrinsic muscle is the superior longitudinal muscle, and as you can see, this is the superior most muscle, and it will be originating from the fibrous tissue just below the mucous membrane. As you know, the tongue is covered by the mucous membrane, and just below the mucous membrane we have the fibrous connective tissue. So it will be originating from the fibrous tissue just below the mucous membrane of the tongue, and also from the lingual septum. There is a lingual septum in the midline of the tongue, so it will be originating from the lingual septum and the connective tissue, fibrous tissue below the mucous membrane. वहाँ से इसका origin होता है, and it will be inserted onto the mucous membrane of the tongue, extending from the tip of the tongue till the root of the tongue. इसी mucous membrane के साथ साथ ये attach हुआ होगा हमारा superior longitudinal muscle, right? तो ये तो होगा फर्स्ट मसल. अच्छा, अगर इसके हम लोग एक्शन की बात करें तो दिस मसल इज बेसिकली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर शॉर्टनिंग द टंग एंड मेकिंग द डोर्सम कनकेव. सो जब ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेगा तो डोर्सम को कनकेव कर देगा एंड इट विल बी shortening the tongue, right? So the next muscle is going to be the inferior longitudinal muscle, right? And it will be also be originating from the same place, that is from the fibrous tissue below the mucous membrane and also from the lingual septum, and it will also be inserting onto the mucous membrane of the tongue, extending from the tip to the root and also on the hyoid bone posteriorly. So ये होगी उसकी inferior oblique inferior longitudinal muscle of the tongue की attachment, right? The next muscle is going to be the transverse and the vertical muscles. These are in the form of a sheet, and they're also inserting onto the mucous membrane of the tongue, but they're a bit different because they are basically lying between the superior longitudinal muscle and the genioglossus muscle. This fan-shaped muscle is the genioglossus muscle, and between this genioglossus muscle and the superior longitudinal muscle of the tongue, we have the presence of the transverse kind of sheet of a muscle or the transverse muscle of the tongue, and the vertical muscle also present on the same location, but इसकी just position हो different होती है. That is ये थ्रू आउट यू कैन से एक्सटेंड कर रहा होता है ट्रांसवर्स मसल, while the vertical muscle is only present on the anterior and the you can say anterior and the anterolateral border of the tongue, right? So these are the 4 intrinsic muscles of the tongue. Then we have the extrinsic muscle of the tongue. The first one is the palatoglossus muscle. This is basically a muscle of the soft palate, and it will be originating from the oral surface of the palatine aponeurosis. We know that the soft palate muscles are covered by a tendinous aponeurosis called as a palatine aponeurosis, right? So it will be extending from the palatine aponeurosis, and it will be descending through an arch called as a palatoglossal arch and inserting onto the side of the tongue, right? So this is a palatoglossal muscle. And as you know that हमारे throat में हमें नजर भी आता है, through our mouth we have 2 arches, 2 tonsillar pillars. Anterior one is called as a palatoglossal arch, and the posterior one is called as a palatopharyngeal arch, right? So these are the 2 arches of the mouth, and the first one, the palatoglossal arch, is basically containing this muscle, the palatoglossal muscle, extending from the palatine aponeurosis of the soft palate up till the side of the tongue. So this is the one extrinsic muscle of the tongue, right? Okay, so the next muscle is going to be the hyoglossus muscle. It's also a big muscle. As the name indicates, hyoglossus muscle is extending from the greater corner of the hyoid bone and also from the lateral aspect of the body of hyoid bone, and all the way to the side of the tongue it will be getting its insertion. But as you can see that it will be inserting between the inferior longitudinal muscle and the styloglossus muscle. So between the styloglossus muscle and the inferior longitudinal muscle, we have the presence of the hyoglossus muscle, as you can see. Okay, then we have the styloglossus muscle. As the name indicates, will be extending from the tip of the styloid process and in its anterior border. The tip and anterior border of the styloid process gives its origin, and will also be inserted onto the side of the tongue, right? As you can see. Okay, the next muscle is going to be the genioglossus muscle, a very huge and a fan-shaped muscle extending from the upper genial tubercles of the mandible. We know that in the inside of the mandible we have the genial tubercles. Upper genial tubercles is the origin of the, and it will be fanning out, and it will be inserting into 3 main places. Upper fibers will be inserted onto the tip of the tongue, the middle fibers into the dorsum of the tongue, and the inferior or the lower fibers will be inserted onto the hyoid bone, as you can see. So in this way we have completed the 4 extrinsic muscles. अगर इनकी हम लोग at the end इसके हम लोग देखें actions को, तो we'll be seeing कि जो हमारा superior oblique muscle है, it will be making the dorsum more concave, right, and it will be shortening the tongue, right, while the inferior oblique muscle will be making the dorsum more convex, okay, and it will be also be shortening tongue. दोनों ही shortening कर रहे हैं tongue की, but one is making the surface concave while the other one is making the surface convex, right. Next muscle is the transverse muscles and the vertical muscle. Transverse muscle basically acts to make the tongue narrow and elongated, right. The contract the tongue will be narrower and elongated, while the vertical muscle will be making the tongue broader and flattened, okay. So transverse muscle will be making the tongue longer and elongated, while the vertical muscle will be making tongue shorter and broadened, okay, and flattened also. Okay, next muscle was the platoglossal muscle. As you can see कि ये ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ extend का, तो when it will be contracted, it will be the elevating the tongue, right. ये elevation of tongue कराता है platoglossal muscle, right. And the next muscle was the hyoglossus. As you can see इसकी action से it is inserted on its lower aspect, so there will be the depression of the tongue, जो कि करवाता है कौन, hyoglossus muscle. Then next muscle was the styloglossus muscle. जब ये contract करता है, there will be a retraction of the tongue. So styloglossus is responsible for the retracting the tongue, right. Okay, next muscle was the genioglossus. As you can see, जब ये contract करता है, it will be protruding the tongue back outward, right. So in this way we have the actions of all these muscles, and कहा जाता है कि all these muscles are innervated by the hypoglossal nerve, right, except for the platopharyngeal muscle जो कि हम बस vagus nerve से innervated होती है. So in this way we have completed it all. We have completed the nerve supply as well as everything else. So with this note we're done with all the muscles of the tongue, the intrinsic as well as the extrinsic muscle, the nerve supply and their actions. So with this note, Allah Hafiz, take care.